BJP leader Hemant Biswa Sarma was sworn in as the 15th Chief Minister of Assam in the presence of the Governor Jagdish Mukhi and BJP President JP Nadda. Former Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal was also there. The oath-taking ceremony was held at the Srimant Shankardev in Guwahati. This after Sarma was unanimously elected as the leader of the BJP legislature party in the state on Sunday. Sarma also visited the Gobind temple and the Kamakhya Devi temple before the swearing-in ceremony. So Hemant Biswa Sarma has emerged as a force to reckon with, not just in Assam, but across the Northeast. He quit the Congress in 2015 and started his journey under the leadership of Narendra Modi. Let's get you a glimpse of his journey in the BJP and how it's actually changed the BJP's fortunes in the Northeast.
Moi, Sri Himanta Biswa Sarmai, Iswarar Namot Hopot Khai Kauje, Bidhir Dara Stapito, Bharator সংবিধানৰ প্ৰতি মই প্ৰকৃত বিশ্বাস আৰু আনুগত্য পোষণ কৰিম।
Hemanta Biswa Sarma, the man who put out many fires for the BJP in Assam and became BJP's power horse in Northeast states. 6 years after joining the BJP, Sarbananda Sonowal's number 2 in Assam has got his reward for his hard work. He is the number 1 now, the Chief Minister of Assam.
Moi, Sri Himanta Biswa Sarmai, Iswarar Namot Hopot Khai Kauje, Ahom Rajyor Mukhyamantri Sorupe, Mur Kortobbyor Jothajotha Sampadonot Abosyok Hoৱাৰ Bahire.
The Chief Minister's post is a crown he earned after crossing many a milestone in a long political career. His political career began showing an uptick when the BJP made him the convener of the Northeast Democratic Alliance. He grabbed that opportunity to turn BJP's fate in the Northeast, a region that had always remained elusive to the Bharatiya Janata Party. His rise is special because the BJP rarely elevates a non-BJP RSS cadre man to a high post. This isn't his sole feat. For the BJP, he has pulled off many victories with his political deftness. Due to his proactive measures as the health minister in Sarbananda Sonowal government in time of COVID pandemic, he managed to change the impression of the people towards the BJP government, the popularity of which was eroded following the CAA movement. Except for home, Sarma handled almost all the key portfolios including finance, PWD, health and education in the Sarbananda Sonowal-led BJP government. With his able administrator and political manager image, he has convinced the BJP that he brings a better winnability factor compared to Sarbananda Sonowal, BJP's poster boy in 2016. He managed this in just 6 years after dumping the Congress. His oath ceremony as Chief Minister is a signal to his ex-party bosses who ignored his significance and potential.
Rahul gave me audience. I made him 8-9 times. But problem is that when you talk to Rahul, the discussion was so light that even the dogs come in between. He start plays with the dog, not with the human, when you talk with him.
All this experience will come in handy for Hemanta Sarma as he has taken charge at a time when state is battling a resurgent virus and anxiety over NRC and CAA. Bureau Report, India Today.